Hello, I'm Chuck Phillip with South Alabama Home Inspections, and welcome to another edition of Southern Home Talk. I'm at a new construction site, and what we're looking at is the new zip system that they're using for roof decking, and I'm going to zoom on in to it. And the way this product is applied, it's just simply OSB with a coating on the top, and you can see that the seams are taped. And you can also see where they're starting to put the shingles directly on top of it. Now, some of this is also made in a siding, and you can see this down here at the far end. It's green. And so a lot of these newer houses have both a combination of the zip system siding and decking for the roof. And it's also critically important that these seams be properly taped as well, so you don't have any water intrusion through those gaps. Now, if you're not going to use the zip sheathing for the siding, then I'm going to see if I can zoom all the way across to the other side. You can see a house way over there, and it's got the Tyvek fabric wrap around the OSB on that, but it's also got the zip system for the roof above. So this is the new system that's going in on these new houses now. It's a relatively new product. And from what I understand from one of the suppliers I talked to yesterday, it's only been used for right about a year. And so we'll just have to see how this product works out over time. So I just figured I'd make a really short video to let you know what's new in the new housing that's going up. Thanks for watching. Okay, what we're looking at is the zip system. And I've had this out here for about a year now. And I've got some scraps of this, and I was curious to see how well this holds up in just brutal weather, unprotected. And so what we're looking at is a kind of a burnt orange color. And they make it green as well, and they make it different thicknesses, 1/2 and 5/8. And so this has been on my deck for a full year. It's put there for 2021, and it's just stained a little bit. It's got a little bit of swelling on the edge, but not bad at all in my opinion. Now, this tape here is proprietary to this roof system, and the manufacturer requires that you roll this as well, and that there be no wrinkles. And that's where if you had another piece of joining this tape would seal those seams. Now, really the primary thing I want to check out is a piece that I have buried below grade. So I'm going to take a look at that. Let's go to it. House is kind of like a UL laboratory. I've got all kinds of experiments going on here. And this is the green. And this has been below grade for 1 full year. And it's just amazing this hasn't rotted out. I mean, this really has performed better than some treated wood I've seen. And so I'm going to keep it out here and see how it fares over 2 years' time. You know, here's just a typical sheet of plywood that's rotted and become delaminated. That's a typical piece of OSB that's almost about to melt. And so you compare it to that. I mean, this is really a good system, and something I would have a lot of faith in, especially if these samples that I have and the quality maintains to be the same as these. I certainly wouldn't have a problem with this being on my house. And like I say, if it's properly installed, and the manufacturer I think states it gives it about a 30-year warranty. So know that, but also guys, go to the Facebook page. I've got some photographs there. That's the Southern Home Talk Facebook page, and I'll go and check out the photographs I'm going to have there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has been informative.